Hello, today we're going to be looking at the Redfox Wizbook Arc. Here's a quick rundown of the specs. This device is powered by an Intel Atom X5 with 4GB of RAM, 32GB of internal storage, and an 11.6-inch 1080p display. And it only weighs 1.1 kilograms. For those of you who are not familiar with Redfox or have forgotten about them, they make laptops, desktops, and tablets. They used to be very popular. My first PC was built by Redfox, and so was our neighbor's PC. A lot of internet cafes had Redfox PCs. You'd know because the PC chassis they used had aggressive, cool-looking Redfox logos on the front. The power adapter is one of those types that hogs up a lot of space on the wall, so do be careful about that. And I do have to warn you that it does not plug into a micro USB port. It does still use a proprietary port, so you cannot use your standard Android USB charger here. And this being a low power device, the charger is only a 36 watt unit. And here we have all the standard documentation for the warranty, which you need to fill out by the way, and a fairly short manual on how to use the device and Windows features. Now onto the device itself. It has this matte pink finish which has this really nice feel to it. It even comes with the glass Redfox logo on the lid, like what MacBooks have. And yes, it does light up. On one side, it has a USB port, a 3.5mm audio jack, a volume rocker, a power button, and a keyboard lock switch. On the other side, you get a micro SD card slot, a mini HDMI port, another USB port, and a charging port. Under the device is pretty plain. You have 4 rubber anti-slip feet, screws to access the internals of the device, and 2 small speakers. Opening the lid, the hinges are quite tight but feel very sturdy. Above the screen is the webcam, and on the bottom is the microphone, a Redfox logo doubling as a Windows Start button, and the Wizbook branding. The chiclet keyboard has a standard QWERTY layout and even has a dedicated .com hotkey. Powering up the device, the Redfox logo at the back illuminates. After initial setup, the pre-installed Windows 10 will take a few minutes to sort itself out. But aside from that, the pre-installed Windows 10 works perfectly. First thing you'll notice when first using the device is how nice and sharp the screen is. It's sufficiently bright and the color accuracy is above average. The 1080p display on the Wizbook Arc means that it has more pixels than most laptops, which typically have 1366 by 768 screens. This, plus the fact that it sits on a 360-degree hinge and is touch capable, probably makes it the most versatile laptop in its price segment. Not to mention that it also works very well as a tablet. Well, there you have it, the Redfox Wizbook Arc, a lightweight, versatile laptop for a bargain.